My name is Brad and I'm the Director of Prestige Group WA. We specialise in wastewater treatment units, in particular the Aquarius product, maintenance, liquid waste and installations. We cover quite a large area from Two Rocks through to mile up, Bunbury region, and then inland up to Meekatharra. So we started back in 2018. We started installing probably 2 units a month and built our reputation from there, advertising, building the product, and worked up to doing about 100 odd units a year. We built our servicing team around that. We maintain maybe 300 to 400 units and obviously assist with the liquid waste side of the business as well. So Aquarius were looking for somebody to specialise and grow with them. We basically started out small doing the residentials like you see behind us here. And from there we worked with them to grow and start doing the commercial units. We worked closely advertising and building the Aquarius product, you know, to build a team that could take out the project and do it correctly. Make sure, you know, we're taking into account the soil types and things like that. So when Coerco took over, I thought it'd be a great thing because Coerco already is quite a big established company and it has proven so far to be a good thing. You know, the support has been great. The backup, you know, service backup when there's been issues and things like that has been great. Yeah, I think we could build quite a great team, carry on the quality installations and servicing and maintenance from there.